Here's a little of my life. Learn a new lesson, tune in for the ride. Hey guys, it's Kina Ben, and I'm back with another video. So today we're gonna be doing, as y'all can see, my setup's a little different, but we're gonna be doing a clothing haul. So all the clothes that I bought today are from Shein. I done heard people pronounce it so many different ways, but I'm really excited. I get so many clothes from there. I get so many compliments. People always ask me about my clothes, how I shop on a budget, you know, college student, working it out, saving, getting ready to graduate. So how do I still like look good on my budget? And I got all of these clothes, 3 pairs of shoes, and like over 10 articles of clothing for less than $200, really less than like $150. Show you how I style them. I don't know how I'm gonna style everything, but we'll see. We'll work it out. So here we go. So y'all, absolutely love these pieces. I figure out how to tie it because I've seen some people go like this and like this and wear it like this, but I don't really like when it hangs down like that. Like some people do it like that, which is, I guess, is kind of cute. Like now that I look at it, like it's kind of cute. But I love this. Love this. This is the fit of the summer. You know what I'm saying? Like you going out, you with the girls. I will pair this fit with these shoes. I got these shoes from Forever 21, so these aren't from Shein, but I will wear a shoe like this with it. You know what I'm saying? This dress is so cute. The ruffles for me. It's the ruffles for me. This is super cute. Oh, you can either pull out these little cuties. These are super cute. Just walk around the mall. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. Or if you want to go on a little date, you want to be a little spicy, you could do these. I love this dress. These shoes, the truth. Okay, Shein. Don't play with them. Don't play with them. This piece is not my favorite. I don't know. These slits just look a little cheap to me. I don't know. It's like, why are they there? It looked a little cuter on the model. It fits really nice. I would wear this around the house. I would wear this, or if I went on a trip, like this would be the lounge clothes that I would like wear around the B&B. How y'all feel about this one? I really love this like neckline. Like I love that like difference, symmetry lines. So yeah, this is the one. This is the one. Everybody needs a little black dress. You know, your little summertime, you put on your little slides. You go out the house. We finna just, me and my friends, we going to the bar real quick. We going to the bar, you know what I'm saying? Or, I'm just gonna go get some groceries, or I just want to look at the mall. And it's like a Tuesday, so I'm not trying to be too cute, but I'm still trying to be cute. With these platforms that I got from Forever 21, love these shoes. They were like $22. So real quick way to make a statement. This is real chill. Like honestly, I probably would just chill around the house in this. I probably wouldn't even like this. This is really cute. This is giving. So I'm not gonna lie, the top does feel a little cheap. Like if you tie it too hard or whatever, it does feel like it will break. Like it's not completely see-through. It had these white paddings in here that I really love. Really love. And this is giving Miami, walking down the street. Like I really love this. And this skirt can be worn with so many other things. Really cute shoes to match. So cute. Look at these shoes. They reminded me of like the Gucci ones where like, I don't know if y'all seen, Gucci came out with a designer shoe that kind of looks like this, and I really just love this style. So you see where I'm going here? You see where I'm going? You see where I'm going? You see where it's cute? This is cute. I don't honestly know if I will wear it with these jeans. Weird with support for me. Like the support is weird. It's cute. I just couldn't be jumping around nowhere. Like I would just have to be like in one place. But it's cute. I'm not really like, it's giving. I don't know what it's giving, but it's giving me something. So yeah, I think I would just wear it with something different. I don't know how to style this yet. Like I see the vision, but I don't see it yet. So it's really silky, really soft. I feel like like it. I'm not. Aw. Look at this top. This top was all of like $6. $6. And I've been going to Zara forever trying to like buy these pants, and like, well, some pants that are similar to this that are kind of have like the mom approach, but they're like big and stuff like that. I love these. I love this top and just this fit. So this is brunch, this could be shopping. I would wear this with these clear heels. These are actually also from Shein. I didn't get these in this haul, like from this order that I bought, but I got these in another order during like Christmas time. You see what I'm going for here? You know, this is a fit. Like, this is it. This is it. This is my favorite part. I love a good bag. I love a good bag. Yes. So cute. Halter top. Love the way it kind of has like this corset kind of like stitching. So it kind of looks like it's, but it's not. I love that. Her Hair, the label, which is a very sustainable, beautiful, lovely brand. They sent me these pants and I absolutely love them. I'm going. I love this. I love it so much. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm gonna link like I said, everything here that I was showing was bought for under like $200. So if you're just trying to splurge and spend a little money on yourself, Shein is definitely the way. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me if y'all like this. This is my first clothing haul. And I'll see y'all next time. On the weekdays, party on the weekend. Here's a little of my life. Learning new lessons, tune in for the